In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Bluetooth section available here, right under Wi-Fi. Now make sure it's on by clicking on gray switcher right next to it, and when it turns blue, wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and then select Pair. Now it's time to wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you're trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, connect it manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on tiny icon right next to your connected device. Manage all of those options or select UNPAIR. You can always connect to it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!